93rd Pre-Competitive Skill Test. A senior ECP official said that Article 220 makes it mandatory for all the executive authorities to extend cooperation to Election Commission in relation to discharge of its duties and functions full stop. According to the schedule, candidates will be able to submit nomination papers from March 12 to March 14, the Election Commission will publish list of candidates on March 15, scrutiny of nomination papers will be carried out till March 22, full stop. Schedule for Punjab polls according to the Election Commission, appeals against acceptance or rejection of nomination papers will be filed by March 27, whereas the appellate tribunal will decide on these appeals by April 3, and the revised list of candidates will be released on April 4, full stop. New paragraph. He also objected to the manner the digital census exercise was being conducted, saying it was unacceptable that elections in one province take place based on a different census, and other provincial polls are held based on a flawed digital census, full stop. These reservations were expressed by the PPP chairman in this address after inaugurating subsidy program, reimbursement for wheat seed here on Sunday, full stop. He said that rupees 13.5 billion was required to finance the seed subsidy program, full stop. Likewise, the intra-court appeals filed before LHC are still pending, and besides, none of the petitioners before the High Court has approached the Supreme Court under Article 185(3). The judgment said, full stop. New paragraph. Whereas majority judgment said that since the election on the dissolution of the provincial assembly has to be held within a time period stipulated by the constitution, the president or the governor must discharge the constitutional responsibility. The Senate on Tuesday continued to reverberate with the controversy over remarks by Chief Justice that the country just had one honest Prime Minister, full stop. At the outset of the proceedings, Law Minister tried to bring on record the AGP's statement to clarify the recent remarks by the Chief Justice, full stop. When Senate Chairman asked as to what the Chief Justice wants to clarify, Law Minister quoted as clarifying that he was present in the courtroom and no adverse remarks about honesty of prime ministers in the country had been uttered, full stop.